Nail Practice Stand Set Nail Training Stand Kit is consisted of 2 sets of magnetic nail tip practice holders. Each set includes 5 pieces of fake nail holders and 1 piece of acrylic nail stand. Also come with 100 clear acrylic nails tips and 96 pieces white reusable adhesive putty. Magnetic Nail Holder Flasoo Press-on Nail Display Stands build with premium plastic material features with convenient magnetic design. The magnet at the bottom is sturdy to provide steady display and nail art practice condition. Equipped with Fake Nail Tips Flasoo Nail Art Training Stand set comes with 100 pieces of clear acrylic nail tips. Artificial press on nails are easy to trim, paint and apply and nice holding the color without separating. Putty for nail stand. Our putty can be used to fix acrylic nail tips on the nail painting stands, reusable and easy to remove without residual, keep surface clean and tidy, will not damage the sticky surface. Wide application nail tip stand holders can not only be used as a practice stand but also can be used as an acrylic nail display stand. Fake nail holder is suitable for daily nail design and repeated practice at the nail salon, nail art school, home use and so on, ideal for beginners, amateurs and salon artists. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality, you should try. Was quality, worked very well for my nails that allow me to pre-apply my acrylic. Stands are very lightweight. They came in both silver and gold.